Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be something I haven't done in a really long time. Obviously we're in lockdown. I'm bored. Very bored. And oh god, I've made it manky. Please excuse that. I haven't had a beauty subscription box in ages. Just because I kind of got bored of them. I was starting to get repeat products because I actually had them for so long, and yeah, it just got to the point where it was time. It was time not to have it anymore. I didn't realise that it was going to take so flipping long to get here, but we bought Glossybox. I thought, why not? Let's give it another try. Let's see if they've changed anything. I mean, it is only a tenner. I do need to remind myself that. If I could get my hands on Boxycharm, that would be worth it. Somebody come out with a box in the UK that's like Boxycharm, that is like £20–25 and is really worth the flipping money. Please? Thank you. Okay, so if you've had a Glossybox in the past or not, this is the box. It is the pink box. They always do the pink box. You've got the black and the little logo inside, and it usually always comes like this. Okay, there's no card. Why is there no card? I want to know what it is that I've got. I want to know what it's for. No card. Never mind. So you get some squigglies and a little bit of paper. Okay, so I'll put up on the screen exactly how much this is. I'm pretty sure it's £10 plus like £2 postage, so I think it works out about £12. You usually get them every month, but because obviously with the pandemic that's going on still, sadly, and not being able to have many workers and that, I think it's going to start to go back to normal. You didn't actually get your box until like the end of the month. Like, it is the 29th of June just now, and I'm pretty sure that this arrived like a few days ago. So okay, so this looks to me here like a black gold dust. It looks like, I'm reading it off the packet. It's Vitamasks, and oh, it's a K-Beauty brand. Okay, I've been wanting to try some K-Beauty stuff. It's a black gold dust sheet mask. It's made with real gold dust and charcoal powder. It's purifying, a luxurious moisturising Korean face mask made with gold dust and bamboo charcoal powder to purify your skin. And there's one mask in it. It feels like there's quite a lot of goo in it, so I think this will be quite nice. Keep an eye out. I'm thinking about doing like a wee sort of pamper routine type thing. Okay, so next we have Delicious, I'm taking it. Natural skin food. This, oh yeah, I should have said that is that there. I will try and find the prices for these and put them in the description box for you, the actual prices. But yeah, it's just a sheet mask. This is Hello Beautiful Exfoliate and Glow. Original black tea beauty scrub? Body scrub. Original black tea body scrub, formulated to buff, brighten and deeply nourish skin from head to toe. So I take it this is like a coffee scrub. I can probably, or tea, is it a tea scrub? Tea scrub. You've probably heard of coffee scrubs. You get, coffee's supposed to be quite good for your skin. Oh wow, that smells amazing. It doesn't smell like tea, it smells like, oh my god, what does that smell like? It smells like tea and lemon. Oh wow. Oh my god, that smells amazing. So, just black tea, but could I make tea with it? So, what's inside? Black Assam tea, a powerful antioxidant, brightens dull skin, targets imperfections. It's got caffeine, antioxidants, and vitamin E apparently. So it's essential oils, rich in vitamin E, so that'll be the kind of citrusy scent I'm getting. Revitalizes the skin to make you smell delicious. Sugar and salt buffs away dry skin. Sweet almond oil. I swear I just seen something move down there. Hate it when that happens. Okay. Sugar and salt buffs away your dry skin. Sweet almond oil. I love almond oil. Moisturizes and softens skin. Okay. Sorry if the camera position has moved. My battery just died and I had to change it. Love was the last ingredient. They donate 10% of their profits to help stop human trafficking, so you feel good inside and out. That's pretty cool. I like it when companies do stuff like that, because I get my hair dye off of Arctic Fox and they donate to like animal charities and things like that, so I like that kind of stuff. So you wet your skin, take a handful of the scrub, massage it all over your entire body, and leave on for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse. do it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. I'm definitely going to start using this. I think what I'll do is I'll probably pour it into a jar though, because I always find that these things just get really messy. All of my salts, my bath salts and stuff like that are all in like little mason jars, so I think I'll do the same with this. I'll get like a little, I tend to like try and save my pasta sauce jars and things like that, so I think it might go in that. But yeah, this, I'm actually quite intrigued with this. I'm quite looking forward to trying it. It's a good, decent sized packet as well. You get 100 grams in it, so, okay. The next thing we have is Mitchell and Peach, Florida, no, that's me missing my holiday. Yeah, my holiday was just cancelled, so I'm a little bit bitter right now. Mitchell and Peach Flora number 1 Fine Edition Eau de Parfum. So it's a decent size perfume, what's it called, sample. It's blended in England with pure essential oils from Mitchell Estate. Ooh, it's a very fresh scent. Oh, I quite like that actually. I don't know if I would call it a perfume, but I try not to judge a perfume by its smell out of the bottle. I find that perfumes can go really funny smelling on me. It can change with like your skin. So I always put it on my skin and let it sit for a minute. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit and we're gonna come back to it. So it's just it's a decent sized perfume sample. Okay, so next we have Colour Club, I think it is, Dry Ice Quick Dry Drops. See, this is where you need the card, because what the heck is this? It's just Colour Club Dry Ice Quick Dry Drops. There's no ingredients on it. There's no directions on it. It's just a bottle. Like, is there supposed to be? I'm pretty sure it's illegal to sell things with no ingredients on them. I don't know. Like a dry oil? I'm gonna have to Google this. Where's my phone? Colour Club Dry Ice Quick Dry Drops. For rapid results, dry ice penetrates nail polish with a unique quick dry formula. Achieve ultra fast dry time with a single drop. Directions: wait 1 minute after nail polish application and apply 1 drop to each nail. It's a quick dryer for nail polish. These never work, like never. And I put it on my hand. Okay, well that's supposed to dry your nail polish real quick, so okay. The last thing that we have is an Orza Beauty lipstick. Just a nudie type lipstick. There we go. That is it there. It smells like plastic. Yeah, it doesn't smell very nice at all. It smells like fake or off. Ooh, okay. Okay. Well, am I glad that I went back into the beauty boxes? I mean, if you are having problems selling beauty boxes, don't take any more orders. That would be my advice. Like, if you're taking till the end of the month to even send them out, I don't know. I'm going to look into it a little bit more. I'm really looking forward to using this, and I really think that this might be quite nice as well. As for the other 3 things, okay, I like the perfume. I don't know if it's me. I might let my mum smell it, but I like that. It's not bad at all. So 3 things from it. These 2, I think. This one I'm not too sure of. I like the colour, don't get me wrong, but the smell of it is kind of giving me issues. Like, it straight up smells like melted plastic. It's really weird. Like, if you got this box, tell me if yours is the same. Oh no, I got it on my nose. It just smells like melted plastic. It doesn't smell right at all. Yeah, I don't know if I want to put that on my lips. And obviously having this with no explanation of what it is, it could just be that they didn't put the, you know, the little card that you normally get in the box. I'll have to ask my mum because she gets this as well. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't mind these 3, but yeah, I mean, it was kind of cool being able to unbox some kind of mystery stuff. again. Haven't done that in a while. That was all that came in June's box. I think I'll leave it until next month anyway. I can't remember if I bought like more than a month or if I just did it on a monthly rolling thing. I'll have to go in and log in and have a wee look. But I think if I did, I will get next month and probably do another review on that one just to see, because obviously more people are starting to go back to work now, so it may not be as like, you know, I might not have to wait until the end of next month for it. But we'll see. Yeah, I mean, I'm not totally, it's not a total disaster, but I'm not, maybe I'm just not that easy. Maybe I'm just dead easy to impress just now because I've been stuck inside for like 3 months. I don't know. If you found this video interesting, helpful, a nice wee warning and not to sign up to beauty boxes, then obviously I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you got this box, leave a comment down below. Let me know, did you get the same stuff? Did you like the stuff? If you don't get beauty boxes, let me know. If you didn't like this video, let me know. You know, you get the gist. And yeah, if you want to watch more of my beauty videos, then just visit my channel. And I do fitness stuff as well as hauls of beauty stuff, fitness stuff, stuff like that. If any of that interests you, then don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.